Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a few products from Sephora, so I'm going to be trying them on and showing you what I got. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. So one of the products that I picked up was the Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet, which is in this little package right here. It's a super small tube, so this is definitely like an expensive moisturizer, but it looks like this. It's the size of my face. I do have a small head though, and I really like their Vino Perfect Serum. That I high-key recommend if you're looking to get rid of dark spots and stuff like that. I've used it in the past. It's super good. So let's take off this little protective seal. So I want to talk to you. There's like, I saw this thread on Twitter. I don't know if you saw it. I guess Sephora laid off all their part-time employees, or like fired them basically. That's what I was seeing. And like the only thing I can think of to like explain that, because supposedly they had reassured them that they weren't going to be doing anything like that, is there's this thing where companies, to get loans because of this whole like virus thing, have to like show that they let go of employees, and then they get this like money, and then afterwards they'll rehire their employees, or their employees get this unemployment thing. That's like the only thing I can think of. But anyway, I'm gonna apply this. I just washed my face with a gentle cleanser because I had gone and done some exercise, so my face is clean. So this didn't give me any stinging. It feels really moisturizing on the skin, and it soaks right in. That's my first impression of it. So another thing that I picked up was actually a repurchased item. So this is the Fresh Rosé lip treatment. This is the only shade I use. I kind of want to try some more, but for now I'm going to stick with this one because I know I really like it. It comes in this little component. It's very heavy, very expensive feeling, and here is the color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lips. I like to do this at the beginning of my makeup routine so that by the time it comes to apply lipstick, my lips have soaked in all the moisture. And I also like it because I feel like it evens out the lip color and gives it like a nice pink tinge. See? All done with that. And then another product that I picked up was the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard so many good things about this product. I've been seeing it everywhere, and I finally pulled the trigger and like had to try it. So this is the component. I think you get a lot of product. You get 1.5 fluid ounces. Standard size is 1 fluid ounce. How much is in the Sorbet? Yeah, Sorbet is 1.3 fluid ounces, so like a little bit more than I was expecting. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and take, cause it looks kind of like scientific, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna do one pump first. Well, have to like squeeze it a few times, right? Okay, this is how much product you get with one pump. I'm going to do one pump first and see how far that goes. It feels cooling. I know I said in my glow up video that I wasn't going to do my makeup, but like I had to try this stuff out. I can't help it. Plus I'm going to film a bunch of videos today, so it'll be worth it, and then I won't wear makeup for a while. Okay, so what I'm feeling offhand with this, like first impression with this primer, is that it's giving me a barrier between my skin and anything I'm going to put on top. Like, it feels a little thick, actually. I guess that's the whole grip thing, right? Okay, so I just finished applying the primer. I'm feeling a tiny bit of tingle around like some parts of my skin, so I'll keep you updated on how that feels. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off camera and do my makeup, and I'll be back so we can try out the rest of the products. Okay, so I'm back, and I feel like I'm giving Egyptian vibes, especially with the blue like lower lash line. However, I feel like I look crazy because I have no eyebrows and no lashes, so we're about to jump straight into that. What I picked up for my eyebrows was the DIPBROW Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown. Now, this is hard for me to eyeball on the website since like you can't go into the stores to like actually see the colors or try them on. So we'll see if this is my color. They said dark brown was for dark hair with warm undertones, which I have going on over here. My eyebrows are a little bit lighter though sometimes, so yes. And then let me just open the component. Now I am a fan of tinted brow gels. The one I was using before this one was actually the Milk Makeup Kush brow gel in brown? Dark brown? The darkest one they had, maybe black, who knows? Or the one before black, because I think they came out with more shades. Anyway, the point, I thought that the DIPBROW Gel by Anastasia would be a little bit richer, a little bit more pigmented, so we're about to find out. The brush is definitely a bit longer on this one than on the Milk one. You can see right there. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt myself to the side, and we're going to go in. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely gives off more pigment here. And I think a pretty good shade match as well. Let me finish this one and then I'll show you compared to the other side. Okay, so I need to clean it up because I got a little bit out of the lines. But here is the eyebrow DIPBROW Gel Brow compared to the no product brow, and I can definitely see a difference. This is definitely what I was looking for. I was gonna follow up with a Anastasia like little eyebrow stem. What is it even called? This one. Oh, the definer, stylist definer, brow wiz. It's late, you guys. So yeah, I was gonna follow up with this, but I don't think I'm going to have to, which is great. Less work for me. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one and then we'll come back for lashes. I did want to mention actually on this one the formula is a little bit drier, but I don't mind that because then I feel like it keeps everything in place and kind of gives that I don't want to say powder finish, but like slightly. Okay, I finished both eyebrows. I think I definitely put a little bit too much, but it's a learning curve, so definitely use a light hand. But I want to move on and talk about mascara. So for mascara, I picked up the Lancôme DÉFINICILS. I speak French, like decent French, so I don't know why I can't say that. DÉFINICILS mascara, and it's for length and separation. It's a high definition mascara haute définition. So this is shade number 2, deep black. This is darker than the black, so I like a lot of I want you to be able to see my lashes, especially if I choose to use mascara without putting lashes on top, which I will be doing to combat the bold brow, but I will show you what it looks like beforehand. This is a repurchase for me, but I tried this back in high school, so it's been a hot minute, but this is the component, nice and skinny. This is what the brush looks like right here. Nice and long, not very fluffy. I have this one eyebrow hair that does not want to lay down, and I'm just like, can we please? That's one coat of the mascara on, and I'm going to do the lower lash line. That was another reason I wore the blue, because I wanted you to really see the contrast with the lashes. Okay, so this is one coat. I'm going to go in for the second coat on the upper lashes. That's the second coat for the lashes, if you can see that. One, and no mascara, and mascara. I'm about to add the second coat down here. So that is the difference there. So far, so good. I am going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, throw on some lashes, and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on everything I ordered. Okay, back again. So I know I said this was going to be like the final check-in, but I forgot that I have one more product. So this was actually a restock for me. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I use their shampoo and conditioner from the Perfect Hair Day like category as my shampoo and conditioner. And I picked this up because they had this value set going on. And then I finished that one, and at Sephora they came out with this jumbo size. So this one has 7.3 ounces in here. So there's a lot of product. It's a big jump from the standard size to this jumbo size, and not as big of a price jump. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on camera. I told all of you that I actually worked out earlier. So this is gonna be a good test to like show you how this works in my hair. Okay, so how I like to apply this to my hair is I go ahead and shake this, and you have to shake it like really well. Look, like my hair is like flat right there. And what I go through is I spray first on the top. Wait, I can't see. Okay, I sprayed too close. So I got a little bit of a white cast right there, but I'll go right away. And what I like about using the same dry shampoo as the shampoo and conditioner is that it has the same scent as the shampoo and conditioner, obviously, so it smells like my normal hair scent, if that makes sense. So once you let that sit for about 30 seconds, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I go in and I just like massage that into the hair. Now, ideally, for like maximum results, I recommend putting in the dry shampoo before starting your makeup or anything like that, before you start any sort of routine, and just let it sit there that whole time that you do that, and then come back and activate it like by running your fingers through your hair, and that will give you amazing results. I'm gonna put my hair back up though, because this is just, I don't have time to style it or like do all this, but yeah, now my hair is really clean, not greasy. So I decided to go ahead and do these cute little pigtails. I might change my mind though. I have so many videos to film and like I don't want to change, so I'm like thinking, should I just switch up my hairstyle each one? But yeah, this is what I have going on right now. A quick little recap on everything that I tried. I do overall like everything I tried. The moisturizer is obviously going to take a little bit of more time trying out for me to really see my thoughts. The Milk Makeup primer really did like grip the skin. Like I could feel like my foundation really sticking to it, which was great. However, because I have some dry patches right now because my acne is healing, it like kind of pulled that dry skin a little bit when I was blending with my brush. I felt, even though I was being very gentle. So that was a little thing that I noticed. The stinging did go away, so I didn't experience any more stinging after that initial like application. It was very small, nothing significant. I feel very snatched right now. Everything else was either a repurchase or a restock. Oh yeah, the eyebrow gel. This is definitely up my alley for what I was looking for. You want something, if you want something like lighter, a little bit more fluffy, I want to say, I would definitely go with the Milk Makeup Kush one or the Benefit DIPBROW. But if you're looking for something a bit more dramatic, like I have really full eyebrows, and I don't like to like do my eyebrows with like a pencil anymore, so it saves me so much time. So if you're looking for a little bit more of a dramatic effect, use a light hand. I have too much in here right now, I know, but it's a learning curve. So yeah, go for the Anastasia DIPBROW Gel. And yeah, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me using makeup I ordered from Sephora during this whole situation, which I need to be over soon. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.